Greetings to everyone. Good day, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or whatever time zone you're watching this pre-recorded video. Now, for today's video, I will be talking to you about educational sites and portals, and you will be identify different educational sites and portals that is suitable to your subject areas, which you will be dealing with your future level learners. And later on, you will be selecting an appropriate resource portal or each educational sites and relation to the identified subject area. But before that, let me read the learning outcomes. You will be expected to identify educational sites and portals suitable to this subject area and selected an appropriate resource portal or educational sites in relation to the identified subject area. So now, let's begin to our discussion. So the educational sites and portals, a lot of information are found in the net. This can be explored and studied to determine their relevance to the lesson. These are concerned parties that host educational service through websites and portals. Like a door, the portal opens to a virtual room where activities, tools, application, articles provide ideas and suggest ways on the use of technology tools. Digital storytelling. Have you checked any of this? Which one will you utilize and which class of learners can you use them? Online sources, sites, and portals suggest tools and describe how they can be used to engage learners, identify the iPad apps and Android apps and web tools. So, digital storytelling is the process of telling a story through digital means. Also, it happens to be one of the easiest ways to integrate technology in the classroom. Educators can use digital storytelling with almost any subject and even flipped their classroom by using mobile apps. Moving forward, digital storytelling has tools. These are, first, ThinkLink. ThinkLink allows you to create interactive visuals and video content. You can create a wide variety of posters, infographics, maps, and hyperlinked videos and share them through social media sites or via embed codes. Next is Animoto. So Animoto uses this to compose and narrate your story in the form of video. Animoto helps you to turn your photos and video clips into stunning professional quality videos and slideshows complete with music and text. Another one is Canva. So Canva is an excellent tool for creating different types of visuals. You can either use pre-designed templates or start yours from scratch. Your final product can be downloaded, shared in a PDG or PNG format. Another one is Paxton. So Paxton unleashes students' creative digital storytelling genius through the use of comic strips. Students can narrate their stories using expressive characters, pre-made props, photos, voice-overs, different backgrounds, and many more. And lastly, Google Slides. So Google Slides is one of the easiest and simple tools students can use to tell their stories in the form of presentation or a slideshow. Slides all allow you to tell story together with rich animations, customized drawings, seamless transitions, a variety of themes, and much more. One of the example of iPad apps is Telegami. So Telegami is a mobile app that lets you create and share a quick animated video called a Gami. A Gami can be exciting tweet or a status update. It can be fun way to tell story. Yeah, to tell story. And for the web tools, the example of it is VoiceThread. VoiceThread is an interactive collaboration and sharing tool that enables students to build online presentation by adding images, documents, and videos and other media to which other users can add comments for discussions. Another example for Android apps. So, Android apps can have the comic creator. So, it invites students to compare their own comic strips for a variety of contexts. Pre-writing, pre- and post-reading activities, response to literature, and so on. So after completing their comic, students have the ability to print out and illustrate their final versions for feedback and assessment. So that is for Android apps. So we have here a educational technology and mobile learning. It's a resource of educational web tools and mobile apps for teachers and educators. First, home, Chromebook apps, categories, Android apps, EdTech tools, iPad apps, Google Drive guides, book for teachers, Chrome tools, EdTech charts, and contact. There are some testing and quizzing tools for teachers. First is Easy Test Maker. Easy Test Maker creates printable test and answers sheets with multiple choice, match the columns, short answers, true or false, and fill in the blank styles questions. The interface is incredibly easy to navigate with an all-inclusive sidebar. Printable tests with consistent formatting are created with ease and can be saved online to access again at any time. Next is Spring Quiz Maker. It creates interactive quizzes and surveys using different questions, multimedia styles, and informational slides, and publish created tests for webs and LMS or Microsoft Word. The paid version is by far the quiz maker with greatest variety of freedom in all aspects. It supports a number of media formats and enables the teacher to analyze test data. Next is Go Conquer. So Go Conquer uses a crowdsourced bank to create a variety of learning tools which access. It also has an online community that allows you to collaborate with other teachers and get feedback from students. And lastly, Quizwork. Create exams, educational games, and assessments for online use. The tests are highly customizable and suitable for all devices, including smartphones. The focus of this site making assessment and learning for students, it integrates well with social media and interface is well suited for younger students. What is the right mindset of a teacher in using the digital tool? Working on a particular tool at a moment will for sure change as a designers continually work to upgrade the features and design the tools to integrate new aspects. This is expected. That is why knowing a digital tool and its features may not be enough because there is a tendency of it evolving through time. As you prepare to become a teacher, by learning how to utilize their digital tools, you need to have the right mindset or way of thinking how these tools can be effectively integrated in the lesson. A lot of teachers may find it doubting to use a technology tool in a lesson. The anxiety to explore the possibility can be overwhelming, but for one who has the openness to learn and to continuously study the features of the tool can possibly lead to more productive way of designing a technology to enhance lesson. And I hope you have learned from my discussion, and that would be all. Thank you.